That one 24/7/2018 at 9:30 HRS, we receive a complaint from Pan Shri Vijay Jamba. He is a waiter by profession and working at Martin's Corner, Hyderabad. On 23rd night at around 11:30 HRS, five unknown persons came on two scooters and one motorbike and robbed the accused's mobile phone with a knife, which is a concealed knife. So accordingly, we registered an offence that is of dacoity against all the five persons, and we traced with the help of our team, PSI Melito, Omar, and Siddesh. We had a good information, and we arrested five persons. Their names are Satish Nair, Marvin Azaredo, Santan Dicosta, Rosman Furtado, and Salim Chikanti. They are all residents of Majodda, Arosi, Bethelbati, and Nue area. With them, we recover around 4 mobiles and 2 bikes, 2 scooters, 1 bike. And more cases will come to light. Plus, Verna police stations are required them in their case. Offence is registered against them under section 323 and 395 at dacoity. So we have produced them before the remand, and we had taken 2 days remand for them.
Oh, okay, the same yani चाकू दाखवून चोरी करप तशें
चाकू दाखवून चोरी करप रातच्यो
आणि
तो चलता बी जाल्यार